Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation library in Python, widely used for working with structured data. One common task in data analysis is filtering data based on specific conditions. The mask function in pandas allows us to replace values in a data frame based on a condition. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the mask function with multiple conditions to filter data. Before proceeding, make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using. Let's consider a scenario where we have a data frame containing information about students, and we want to filter the data based on multiple conditions such as grades and attendance. Now, let's say we want to filter the students who have a grade above 80 and attendance above 85. We can use the mask function to achieve this by creating a boolean mask for each condition and combining them with logical operators. Here, is used to invert the combined condition, so we keep the rows where the combined condition is true. Now, let's print the filtered data. Using the mask function in pandas allows for efficient filtering of data based on multiple conditions. By combining Boolean masks using logical operators, you can easily tailor the filtering process to meet your specific criteria. This tutorial provides a basic example, and you can adapt the code to your own datasets and conditions as needed. ChatGPT.